YouTube. I'm going to talk to you today about a JK 2012 that I bought at stock, and I did some upgrades to it. And all my upgrades was very minimum upgrades. Most of it came off of Amazon, and I bought the winch off of eBay. So just check it out. All right, this is it. Pan around. Look. All right, the bumper itself came off of eBay by Yada Motors. That's it right there. Got the built-in fog lights, as you can see, right there. Okay, and then we're gonna start at the bottom here. First thing we did, we put the base. While we changed the bumper, we went on and changed and put this base plate on it, because we towed this behind the RV, and we also hooked up this umbilical cord to power the lights from the motorhome to send lights to the Jeep. Put the breakaway switch in, ran it inside. Okay, up from there, we got this winch. That's who makes it. It's 13,000 pounds. I believe this was around $280 on Amazon. So far, been working fine. I put those inserts in. The grill, we changed out, put those halo lights in right there, and then we're going to pan back out to look at that again, the whole deal. We also, as we go around this way, we threw in these hood latches, took off the factory ones and put these metal ones on. Made it more secure, more tighter, doing high speed. Threw those boots over the windshield wipers. Then we go down here, we got the 20-inch wheels with the 33-inch tires, and we also have a 3.5-inch lift on it by Rough Country. I also put these door hinge covers on it, and door handle covers. All of this you can buy on eBay. As we go around it, we put that gas cap cover on it. Once again, another Amazon product. The thing that we still gonna do is, we haven't changed up the tail lights. We're just gonna go with some LED tail lights, but right now we got the tail light covers, guards on it. We also, when we changed up the front bumper, we changed out the rear bumper. It came as a package kit, front and rear, from Yada Motors off of Amazon. It comes with the little built-in reverse lights, or you can use them as whatever light. You can put a different switch on them and hook them up, where you can just flip them on, or you can just tie them into your reverse lights like I did when you back up. Okay, you also have came with the trailer hitch on it, that came with the bumper. I also put, if you can see it right there, I put a trailer connector. It's just plug and play. I can give you all those numbers later in the description if you decide you want to try to do the same thing. That's the way if I tow a trailer, a little lightweight trailer or something, or jet ski, I can have lights for it. Okay, and then as I go around this way here, once again, like I said, we have 20-inch wheels with 33-inch tires on it. All the way around, it's like this. All right, then we're gonna go on the inside and take a look on the inside. All right, the inside, once again, let's see if we get a little bit more light in the scene. All right, the inside, we put in all this red trim. We put in the seat covers. These are fitted seat covers that came off of Amazon. The headrests, I had those upholstered at my upholstery shop lady. I put my name on it. I put the trim on the dash, all down there on the console. You can see the trim, even up on the pillars, speakers there, on the steering wheel, all on the air conditioning vents. You can see the air conditioning vents. I also put in this little this holder here to hold my napkins and whatever you want to put in there. That's pretty cool to have. Also, these grab handles by Wild Boar, they're pretty solid. You can shake the whole Jeep with it. I got these here also that I put on, mostly just for looks, honestly. I mean, they work, but I mostly use those Wild Boar. And then, like I said, you got the door trim we put on it. If you go to the back, the same thing, door trim. You even got trim for the back cup holders down there. Trim on that side, seat covers. And then we go back over here to the grab handles right here. Folks, I tell you, we still gonna, like I said, we're gonna put a light bar on it, 52-inch light bar, and we're gonna also change out the tail lights. And so please hit that like button and subscribe, because I'm gonna be showing you a bunch of videos of hooking this up to the motorhome. I'm gonna be showing you videos of it towing behind the RV. I'm gonna be hooking up videos about the RV, opening and closing RV, setting up RV. It's gonna be a bunch of different videos that I'm gonna be putting on here, including from repairs of lawnmowers to everything. This is your boy, Big Pops. We signing off. Thank you.